Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Saisha. This is Amok Kaliwa. If you are new to my channel, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. In the last video, we initiated ensemble models, wherein we understood the basic definition of ensemble models, the diagrammatic approach, how ensemble model works. We also saw the advantages and disadvantages of ensemble model. Thereafter, we concluded the video that why does ensemble model works. In today's video, we will discuss in depth the types of ensemble models which we possess. These are the most popular and widely used ensemble models. Let's start with randomization type of ensemble model. Here we randomize the learning algorithm, not the input data. What we do is we pick from the n best options randomly instead of picking the best always. As we know, most of the algorithms always start with the random initiation and then they achieve a global minima. The drawback of this randomization technique is, as we are choosing models randomly, there is a chance of repetition of the models. Now let us understand mixture of experts. Mixture of experts. Mixture of experts uses multiple learners. With these multiple learners, it has a control switch which is applied for suitable learner for every specific region of the data. For example, if we are predicting solar power has a parabolic output. So from 6 am to 11 am, it is an increasing trend. From 3 pm to 6 pm, it is a decreasing trend. Now, we can utilize model M1 for the first initial half, model 2 for 11 am to 3 pm and model 3 from 3 pm to 6 pm. Now, how do you utilize the control switch? The control switch can be utilized with expectation maximization technique. Here, expectation maximization technique helps us to maximize our likelihood criteria, which we have understood in our earlier videos. Now, let us understand stacking type of ensemble model. Stacking type of ensemble model. It uses a data set. This data set is a training data set which is fed to several base learners ranging from M1, M2 to Mn. Now, these base learners are not non-linear type of supervised learning techniques. They are linear type of supervised learning techniques. For example, logistic or linear regression. Now, why do we don't use non-linear type of supervised learning technique? Because there might be a case of overfitting. Now, these base learners output is fed to a meta-learner. This meta-learner utilizes some of the central tendencies like mean, median and mode to aggregate the values of the base learners. The output of this meta-learner is stacking ensemble type of model output. Now let us understand the bagging type of ensemble model. Bagging type of ensemble model. In bagging type of ensemble model, we consider a data set. In this scenario, the data set is named as S, and we create sample data sets of S1, S2 till Sn. These sample data sets are created using bootstrap technique. Now, what is bootstrap technique? Let us understand with an example. Bootstrap technique is also called as sample with replacement. Consider you have a bucket of different color balls like red, blue and black. When you are sampling a balls, that is randomly picking up any ball. In this scenario, S1 is a sample. Here you have picked randomly red, black and blue. Now, when you are taking the second sample like S2, you put back these balls into your original sample and then you randomly pick once again the balls. This is how a sample with replacement or bootstrap type of data set is done. Now, in our scenario, we can sample, randomly pick up either observations or the features of the data set. Now, for each of these samples, we consider many base learners which are M1, M2 to Mn. In this scenario, you can utilize non-linear type of supervised learning technique because here we are building model on a sample of a data, not on the whole data. Hence, the chances of overfitting are less. The output of these learners are fed to the meta learner. This meta learner is simple mean, median or mode, and the output of this meta learner is bagging type of model output. Now let us understand boosting type of ensemble model. Boosting type of ensemble model. In this, we consider a training sample, and on this training sample we build a machine learning algorithm. Consider it provides an output F1. There are many instances where F1 has failed or provided an inaccurate result. For those instances, we subset the observation and we weight them according to the inaccuracy. And on these observations, we build a machine learning model and we get an output F2. Similarly, we build model 3 on which the first model and the second model has provided inaccurate results, that is those observations. We continue building the models until and unless we achieve our metric, that is either the accuracy or the MAPE. Once we achieve those accuracies or MAPE, then we accumulate all the output values from F1 to Fn and we provide the output F. This is how a boosting type of ensemble model is applied. We have understood many of the popular ensemble models which is applied in the industry. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.